Wealthify Investment Review 2025 Invest with Ease. Is this platform right for you? Most people get investing wrong by overcomplicating it. Wealthify is a robo-advisor that aims to make investing simple, but is it right for you in 2025? Wealthify allows users to choose investment styles from cautious to adventurous and automatically manages portfolios using its own funds. The surprising truth is ease of use. You won't believe what happens next when deposits are invested instantly without manual trading. Another advantage is low fees compared to traditional advisors. Most people get this wrong by ignoring how high management fees can erode returns over time. Wealthify keeps costs minimal. However, returns are tied to market performance, so aggressive investors may experience volatility. Limited advanced customization may frustrate experienced traders. In conclusion, Wealthify is ideal for beginners or hands-off investors who want simple, low-cost portfolio management. If you prefer active trading or custom strategies, you may need more advanced platforms. For ease and affordability, it remains relevant in 2025.